Mayor counterpart, Mayor Helen Bolivar, to Vice Mayor Love Baronda, to our city councilors, Nene De La Liana and Councilor Cedric Cabaluna, representing the Iloilo Provincial Government, PA Raul Baliñas, our partner in making Dinagyang the top festival in the whole Philippines, IFFI, President Angel De Leon, and past President Alan Rayantan, Reverend Father Nelson Cerda, and representative from SM City, Iloilo, Mark Trinidad. Kag sa tanan nga mga pinalangga ko nga mga Ilonggo, aton nga mga warriors, drummers, mga estudyante, mga maestra, kag sa tanan nga ari diri subong maayong gabi gid sa inyo nga tanan. This evening is a delightful occasion as we gather for this grand launching of our Iloilo Dinagyang Festival 2026 here at SM City, Iloilo. This is also the start of our countdown with a series of special events leading to the main highlights on the 4th week of January. Over the weekend, we made history with the first ever national launching of Iloilo Dinagyang at the Mall of Asia in Metro Manila. The first ever and under the management of Iloilo Festivals Foundation Incorporated. These milestones are very special to me because Dinagyang 2026 will be my first Dinagyang as Mayor of Iloilo City. Through the years, the Dinagyang Festivals has been a source of pride and inspiration for all us Ilonggos. It reminds us why we have every reason to be proud of who we are and our vibrant culture. Earlier this month, Dinagyang was honored the Best Cultural Festival for 2024 at the Ato Pearl Awards 2025. In March this year, Dinagyang Festival also received 2 prestigious international awards, namely Best Overall Entertainment Program and Best Dynamic Festival during the 2025 Pinnacle Awards and Asia Festival City Conference of the International Festivals and Events Association held in South Korea. Just this June, the Dinagyang Festival and Kasadyahan sa Cabanatuan once again shown on the national and international stage, representing Iloilo during the Parada ng Kalayaan 2025, winning first and second places. And last June also, we highlighted Dinagyang in the World Expo in Osaka, Japan. Subong November, malakat pagid ang aton nga Dinagyang sa New Zealand. Nagalibot na ang Dinagyang, ginadala naton ang aton heritage and culture. Ginapakita naton hindi lang sa bugos nga Pilipinas, pero sa bugos nga kalibutan ang mga Ilonggo kung ano ang aton pagtuo, ano ang aton pagpalangga sa aton palangga nga Santo Niño. Mga pinalangga ko nga mga Ilonggo, more than a festival, Dinagyang is an integral part of our identity. A celebration of our faith, creativity, and resilience. It presents to the world who we are, a people of joy, devotion, and excellence. As we prepare to showcase our world-class Dinagyang Festival this 2026, I would like to thank this opportunity to thank Iloilo Festivals Foundation Incorporated, our private sector partners, San Jose Parish Church, our stakeholders and collaborators, including our always major sponsor, SM City Iloilo, for your unwavering support and invaluable contributions. Because of our collective efforts, dedication, and love for Iloilo, Dinagyang remains as one of the best festivals in the country and truly the best of the best. Madamo gid nga salamat. Hala bira Iloilo. Viva Señor Santo Niño.
Viva Señor Santo Niño. Thank you very much, Mayor Raisa Treñas. I would like to ask you to please stay on stage para sa aton nga official opening sa aton nga Iloilo Dinagyang Festival 2026 and join